heard mostly yeses, and that is fantastic. And if you did say no, that's okay. I'll send you some love. Okay, today we are going to practice missing numbers, and we've already done this with 1 through 10, but we're going to do it again for 11 through 20. But we're still going to use Olaf from Olaf Presents in the Disney Doorables. We are still going to figure out what the missing one is, but we're also going to use different scissors. Last time we used some spring-loaded scissors, and I had to switch them because the other ones, they were done. I had them for too long. But this time, we're just going to use typical scissors you usually see. And remember, thumb always goes on top. Okay, so you will need your helper, which is the grown-up that's with you, to help you get your supplies. All you need today are numbers 11 through 20. That's it. Easy peasy. So go ahead and have your helper, get your supplies, and meet me back here so we can check our schedule. Okay, friends, let's check our schedule. We only have one job today. We are going to practice those missing numbers, and then we will see who Olaf has dressed up like this time. And when we get to the star, we'll be all done. So let's go. Okay, friends, make sure you have your numbers laid out in front of you, and let's get started. Okay, here we go. 11, 13. 11, 13. Okay. Which number are we missing, friends? Oh my goodness. Did you find 12? 12. Okay, let's see if it will work. Let's move that up here and give it a try. Let's practice it. 11, 12, 13. Yes. 11, 12, 13. Okay, now let's see who is inside. Now I'm going to use my, just my usual, the scissors you typically find in a classroom. And remember, your thumb always goes on top. If I had it this way, oh my goodness, there's nowhere for my other fingers to go. And that just feels weird and it won't cut as easily. So remember, thumb always on top. Okay, here we go. Let's see. I'm just going to push and it's going to pull up. Let's see who is inside. Come on. Who are you? What? Oh my goodness, look at that. We got a Sven. Oh, and he's so cute. Oh, I love his little bow tie. Okay, looking super dapper. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, here we go. Our next set. 16, 17. 16, 17. Okay, what number is missing? Look at your numbers. Ooh, did you find 15? 15. Okay, let's move this. And, spinning all crazy. Okay, ready? Here we go. Let's count it and make sure it sounds right. 15, 16, 17. That sounds right. Let's do it again. 15, 16, 17. Yes! Okay, now let's see who is inside. Oh, I can't wait. Okay. Oh, yep, thumb on top. Always remember that. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, who is inside? Who is inside? Ooh, another Olaf as a villain. Jafar, how do you do? Ooh, I love it. Okay, let's see what's next. Here we go, next set. Ooh, look, we're in a different spot. Okay, 18, 19, 18, 19, Okay, look at your numbers. What number is missing? Ooh, did you find 20? 20. Okay, let's move this up here. All right, here we go. Let's count it and make sure it makes sense. 18, 19, 20. 18, 19, 20. Yep, we got it. Okay, now let's see who's inside. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Cut, cut, cut. Open, open, open. And, oh, okay, this is awesome. It's Olaf as King Triton, which is also known as Ariel's dad. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, I love this one. This one's my favorite so far. Okay, let's see what's next. Next one, here we go. 13, 15. 13, 15. Ooh, okay, what number is missing? Ooh, it's in the middle this time. Okay, what number's missing? Ooh, good looking. Did you find 14? 14. Yes, okay, let's put it here. Move you, and let's practice. Let's count. Let's make sure it makes sense. 13, 14, 15. Yep, one more time. 13, 14, 15. Yes! Okay, now let's see who's inside. All right, we have to try to beat King Triton. That one's my favorite so far. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? Ooh, what? Okay, Olaf as Rapunzel. Oh my goodness, look at the long hair. So awesome. Okay, I don't know. This might be a really close Oh, this might beat King Triton. I don't know yet. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, next set. Here we go. Ooh, we're in the front now. Okay. 12, 13. 12, 13. Ooh, okay, this one is sometimes really tricky to figure out that missing number. What number is missing? Oh, good looking. Did you find 11? 11. Okay, that one is super tricky sometimes because it doesn't sound like a teen. 11 and 12, they're kind of tricky. Okay, let's make sure it makes sense though. 11, 12, 13. Yep, we got it. One more time though. 11, 12, 13. Yes! Okay, now we have to see. Oh my goodness, who is inside? Is somebody going to take the top spot? Let's see. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Okay. Now we've got the genie. Oh my goodness. Olaf as the genie. I love this one so much. Okay. Yep. I'm going to say it. I think this one has taken the top spot. We have one more. Let's see who's last. Okay. Here we go. Our last set. Let's do it. 15, 16. 15, 16. Ooh, okay. Look at your numbers. What number is missing? You found it. 17. 17. Yes. Okay, let's move this. And put you here. Okay, let's count it. Double check. 15, 16, 17. Oh, yes. One more time. 15, 16, 17. Yes! Okay, here we go. Our last one. Can it take the genie spot? I don't know. I really don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Who is it? What? Oh my goodness. It's Olaf as Simba. Okay, this one is super cute. Kind of looks like he has a little a mess up here. But he is still very cute. But I don't think he's going to take the top spot from the genie. Okay, friends, let's check our schedule.
Check schedule!
Oh my goodness, that was so much fun. We got to practice those missing numbers from 11 to 20. We got to see all the different characters that Olaf was again from Olaf Presents. And I was having trouble. I really liked King Triton at first, but Genie won it. Loved it. Loved the Genie. Okay, let's check that off. Ready? Check. Okay. Oh, and look at that. We made it to the star. You know what that means. We are all done. Big heart for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can learn with Mrs. Huey. Bye!
It's Huey time. Bye!